And finally, the water climate discussion. Now, a couple of months ago, we introduced this campaign, and to remind you, the water sector and the world is unlikely to meet climate change targets through small changes, so you need to start thinking the unthinkable. You might even have seen my particular personal post on LinkedIn a few weeks ago, where I talked about dry toilets. Well, we want to invite you to propose your ideas for radical change. I did mine last month, and here is Joe Burgess with a probably a bit mad, but definitely radical idea: marine cloud brightening.
How about marine cloud brightening? Marine cloud brightening involves spraying seawater into the atmosphere to increase the reflectivity or albedo of clouds over the ocean, which could help cool the Earth by reflecting more sunlight back into space. How does this work? Well, special ships or autonomous drones spray fine droplets of seawater up into the atmosphere. The salt particles from the seawater act as nuclei for cloud condensation, increasing the density and the brightness of marine clouds. Brighter clouds reflect more sunlight, potentially reducing surface temperatures. This is, of course, controversial. There are unintended consequences. Potential impacts on weather patterns, precipitation, and marine ecosystems, they're largely unknown and they could be significant. And there's a geoengineering debate as well. It raises ethical questions about manipulating the Earth's climate system and potential dependency on such technologies. But we've already manipulated the Earth's climate system. We're already dependent on technologies. So why not?
A terrible idea or a radical solution? Why don't you join in? All you need to do is grab your phone, record your radical idea. There are no wrong ideas, because sometimes wild ideas spur the birth of a truly brilliant idea. Once recorded, post it on LinkedIn with #radicalchange and mention the water climate discussion.